This Copilot Kit update is insane. This Copilot Kit update is absolutely insane. You can now analyze PDFs and extract insights right inside your app. No more switching between tools or losing context. It's like having a super smart assistant that lives in your software. So what's the big deal here? Copilot Kit just dropped an update that lets you analyze PDFs, extract insights, and generate structured outputs with a live agent that runs directly inside your app. Not outside, not in some other tab, right inside your app. I know what you're thinking. What does that even mean? Let me break it down for you. Most AI tools make you jump through hoops. You upload a file here, you get results there, you copy and paste into another tool. It's a mess, it wastes time. But Copilot Kit changed the game. They built an agent that lives inside your application. So when you're working on something, the AI is right there with you. No switching tabs, no losing your flow, no friction. And the PDF analysis part, that's huge because most of us deal with PDFs every single day, reports, contracts, research papers, invoices, all that stuff. Now imagine being able to ask questions about that PDF without leaving your app. Imagine getting instant insights. Imagine the AI pulling out exactly what you need and putting it into a format you can actually use. That's what this update does. But wait, there's more. The structured output feature means you're not just getting random text back, you're getting data organized the way you want it, tables, lists, categories, whatever makes sense for your workflow. This is the kind of automation that saves you hours every week. Now, here's why this matters. We're moving into an era where AI isn't just a tool you use sometimes, it's becoming part of your workflow, part of your team, part of everything you do. Copilot Kit gets this. They're not building another chatbot that sits in the corner. They're building agents that live inside your applications and do real work. Think about what this means for productivity. Right now, you probably spend hours reading through documents, pulling out key information, formatting it, organizing it, then passing it along to the next person. What if an AI agent could do all of that in seconds? What if it could read a 100-page report and give you the 3 things you actually need to know? That's not science fiction anymore. That's what Copilot Kit just made possible. And here's the thing most people miss. The real power isn't just in saving time, it's in what you can do with that time. When you automate the boring stuff, you free up your brain for the creative stuff, the strategic stuff, the stuff that actually matters. Let me give you a real example. Let's say you're working on a research project. You have 10 different PDF documents with information you need, scientific papers, industry reports, technical documentation. Normally, you'd have to open each one, read through it, take notes, try to remember where you saw that one specific fact. It's tedious, but with Copilot Kit's PDF analysis, you could load all those documents into your workspace, then ask the AI agent specific questions. What are the main findings from document 3? How does document 5 compare to document 7? Give me all the statistics about topic X across all documents. The AI reads everything, understands it, and gives you exactly what you need right inside your workspace. No switching apps, no losing your place, no forgetting where you saw something. That's powerful. And it gets better because the structured output feature means you can tell the AI exactly how you want the information formatted. Maybe you need a comparison table, maybe you need a bulleted list, maybe you need data in a specific format to plug into another tool. You tell the AI what you want and it gives you that exact format. This eliminates so much manual work. You're not copying and pasting, you're not reformatting, you're not trying to organize information manually. The AI does it for you instantly, accurately, consistently. This isn't just about reading PDFs, it's about understanding them. The AI doesn't just extract text, it comprehends meaning, it identifies relationships, it connects ideas across documents. Let's say you're analyzing a technical manual. It's got sections on installation, sections on operation, sections on troubleshooting, sections on maintenance. If you ask the AI a question about troubleshooting a specific issue, it doesn't just pull text from the troubleshooting section. It understands the whole document. It might pull relevant information from the operation section, from the maintenance section, from multiple places, because it understands how those sections relate to your question. That's comprehension, not just text extraction. The AI builds a mental model of the document. It understands the structure, the hierarchy, the relationships between different parts. So when you ask questions, you get intelligent answers, not just keyword matches. This works across multiple documents too. Upload 5 PDFs about the same topic. Ask a question that requires information from all 5. The AI synthesizes the information. It combines insights from document 1 with data from document 3 with context from document 5. It gives you a comprehensive answer that no single document could provide. This is how research should work. This is how knowledge work should work. You focus on asking the right questions. The AI focuses on finding and synthesizing the answers. That division of labor is incredibly powerful. And remember, all of this happens inside your app. You're not leaving your workspace. You're not switching contexts. The AI agent is embedded right where you work. It's like having a research assistant sitting next to you, ready to help instantly, ready to answer questions, ready to pull information, ready to format data, all without you having to leave your flow. That's the key insight here. It's not just about what the AI can do, it's about where the AI lives. Embedded AI agents are fundamentally different from separate AI tools. They reduce friction, they maintain context, they feel like part of your workflow instead of an interruption to it. Let's talk about structured outputs one more time because this deserves more attention. When you work with data, format matters a lot. You might need data in JSON format to feed into another system. You might need a CSV file for Excel. You might need a markdown table for documentation. You might need HTML for a web page. Different use cases need different formats. Traditional AI tools give you text, just text. If you need a different format, you have to manually convert it. That's time consuming. It's error prone. It's annoying. Structured outputs eliminate this problem. You specify the format you need. The AI generates data in that exact format. No conversion needed, no manual work needed. It's ready to use immediately. This is huge for automation. When you're building workflows that chain multiple tools together, you need predictable outputs. You need to know exactly what format you're going to get, otherwise your automation breaks. You have to add error handling, you have to write conversion scripts. It gets complicated fast. With structured outputs, your automations become reliable. Step 1 generates data in format X. Step 2 expects data in format X. It receives data in format X. Everything works smoothly, no surprises, no edge cases, no debugging sessions at midnight trying to figure out why your workflow broke. This makes AI practical for production use, not just for experiments, not just for demos, for real systems that real people depend on every day. And Copilot Kit makes this accessible. You don't need to be a machine learning expert. You don't need to understand the technical details of how AI works. You just specify what format you want. The AI handles the rest. That's the kind of abstraction that accelerates adoption. That's what makes powerful technology accessible to everyone. Here's what I want you to understand about where this is all heading. AI is moving from the cloud to the edge, from separate services to embedded agents, from tools you visit to assistants that live in your workspace. This is a fundamental shift in how we interact with AI. 5 years ago, you went to a website to use AI, you typed in a prompt, you got a response, you copied it, you went back to your work. That was the paradigm. AI as a destination, AI as a separate thing. Now we're shifting to AI as infrastructure, AI as a layer that exists everywhere in your text editor, in your design tool, in your project management system, in your email client, everywhere you work. AI is there, ready to help, invisible until you need it, then instantly available. Copilot Kit is enabling this shift. They're giving developers the tools to embed AI agents into any application, any workflow, any system. And that means the apps you use every day are about to get significantly smarter.